Hey, what's up fellas, it's your boy Gaz coming at you again with another video, and we have another Menlo Club unboxing, and this is for the month of August. This is pretty much a fall month. We are getting some like twill pants or some button down shirts, some chinos or flannel you might say. But anyways, let's get this unboxing going. I don't want to waste a lot of time because this month's add-on were lit. I actually managed to get some slip-ons and can't wait to see those. And hopefully I get some green olive chinos, because last 2 years I got some blue chinos, and hopefully I get a different color at least. Right, so here it is. Okay, so here it goes. Bam. So here it is. So for those of you that don't know what's an add-on, every month they give you like 3 different kind of bundles you could buy. It's actually like, you know, a good way to extend your wardrobe, because the items that you will be receiving is like heavily discounted, and they just like make it into a bundle to give you a great discount. And this month was some white slip-ons from New Republic, and this is one of my favorite brand shoes because their quality is amazing and they're affordable. Okay, so we'll open that in just a bit. So here's for the month of August. Alright. Okay, yes! Some olive chinos. Haha. You know, I'm already happy with this month's package. I got some olive chinos. Thank you. Yes. This is the first pair of olive chinos I own. And you guys, well, actually, my second pair. The first one that I bought, I washed them and they got like some type of liquid. I don't know what was it, and I had to throw those away. Okay, and here is the flannel button down shirt, and yes, this is like a kind of like a purple burgundy color, so that's nice. Can't wait to try this one on. I still have the one from last year. It was a gray and white, and I'm glad I have a different color. Okay, so put that to the side. Alright, so before I open this box, for those of you that want to join in, you're gonna get 50% off. You're also gonna get a free pair of glasses and some no-show socks, and you go actually add this to your August month's package for 30 bucks. So pretty much you're gonna get everything you saw plus some socks and some free glasses, sunglasses, and the shoes all for $60, but you need to add it as an add-on in order to get the shoes. Alright, so oh yeah, and use the promo code THM. That's what's gonna save you 50% on your first package. So here it is. Guys, aren't these beautiful? I know they are. And what I like about this slip-on shoe is the little pull tab. It has like this orange and navy accent. That's pretty nice. And let's see, let's check out the other one. So that's all it comes with, nothing else. Right, so here it is. So far what I like about this slip-on is the navy and the orange accent that it has right here, the little pull tab. Their sneakers, I noticed they're a lot like the Vans, but more comfortable, because on the last month, I believe I got the Grayson sneakers, and they were really comfortable because they had the outsole. I don't know if I could take this outsole out. No, I can't. But the thickness of the outsole was like really thick, and you know, when they're really thick, it's because they're gonna be super comfortable. So this is a canvas sneaker, and it has that waffle outsole, and it also has like this thickness around the shoe to make it extra comfortable. And this is a New Republic slip-on sneakers. Alright guys, so like I said, if you guys want to get all this for $60, don't forget to use my promo code THM and add this as a add-on. And you're also going to get some no-show socks and a free pair of sunglasses, all for $60. But you need to add this as an add-on because they're $30, and they pretty much, I say if it was a retail, like $60. But what's also good about being part of the Menlo Club is that these are limited edition. Once they sell out, that's it. You will never be able to get them again. maybe someday in the future. Other than that, it's gonna be like almost impossible to get. So with that being said, let's try this clothes on and see how this, you know, whole outfit looks.